Rolling, rolling. The bumps start, like in the hills. Darn. Bottom. Really bad, of course. What depth?
Какая глубина?
Unclear.
Непонятно.
Look, it's slipping and slipping. It's off, it's off. It's off. Oh, this one's nice. Splashed, now it'll grab. Maybe. Dreaming, huh? Heh. And let's dress it. Oh, the best boats. Totally lost it. Come on, bait a fresh worm. Oh, look what it's doing. Bit it. Ha. Was new, now old. Good Harius. Not bad, maybe this one. Little rascal took a bite. And happy. Some pretzel-like thing. Probably good for fish soup, both. You. Why are you biting so poorly? Barely managed, darn. Good for soup, just right. The water's to blame. Big, dark water. We'll sleep here tonight. Slept here last year. With Romka, slept right on the sand. Wet today, our seat's still here. No bites. Nothing at all. No splashes, no bites, no fish at all. Feels like no fish. Either they've passed or haven't arrived. Don't know. At least we're fishing. Alright, let's try calling, then head up. Up. And gather firewood. Prep for the night. All good. Splashing somewhere. A tug, then nothing. Cast elsewhere. Another tug, then nothing. Then silence. No fish here. Go on, tell me. Rain promised tomorrow. And today too. Let's eat, then rest. We'll move on tomorrow. Not today. How's it going, pro? Wanted fish soup first. There's a system here. Catch or miss. Give it to him. Miss, then buy from the store. Ha ha. Great weather. Wind might pick up. drizzling, darn. Let's pack and go. Let's go. Onward. Oh, hooked right away. Splashed here. Was here, then gone. Ha ha ha. Almost everything's in the boat, just lift. Some Moskvich, I think. 2 years ago was good. Hooked well. Should have been smaller, might catch a log. Climb under the tree. Oh. Something went wrong. We're here. We're here. Jam. Should have crossed there. I told you, maybe we'll save time cutting through, save some energy too. Damn, it's still deep and tough to climb out. Here's where I can wade again. Been a while since I got my feet wet. Time to soak my boots. Haven't done that in ages. No, not yet. Come here. Whoa, the bank's all muddy here. Clay-like. Careful. Crap, it's sucking me in. What a fishing trip this year's turning out to be. Man. There was a big one near the dock earlier. Crap, I'm putting my rod away. Hold it steady over here. Try reeling it in. Yeah, your rod's taking a beating. This one's a fighter. Damn, nice catch. I'll move over there. Hold it steady, Dad. I'll climb over. Come on, keep holding it. Just guide it this way. With the current. I'll get it from here. Bring it to shore. Not quite a black-backed perch, but the biggest so far today. Wow, what a beast. Haha, maybe there's more like him in that hole. Forget it, look at that hook. He's not coming off this one. Yours are smaller, mine too. This is a good one. Probably 600 to 700 grams. Yeah. Where are your buddies? Big ones. Dang, your boy just dunked you with a tree branch. Why me? Went for the rod. Thought. I threw a few casts, nothing bit. See, stuff falling from trees. Exactly, that tree debris keeps falling in. Look at this black-backed one. See how dark his back is? Like a sailfish. I saw your float dive under. I'll put it in your boat. Won't jump out. Small but decent. Nice one. This one's small, but glad I changed the hook. Put on a bigger one, Dad style. Usually the biggest one comes first. All right. Something's tugging. Trying hard. Probably big. Ugh, crap, move the line. Weak bite though. Getting bites now. Just change the hook. Feels more reliable. For now. Probably bigger. My biggest one yet. Not even coming up. Look, your rod's bent over. Check it out. Let it tire out a bit. Man, these are strong. They're really putting up a fight. Doing headstands. What is it doing? Oh, got snagged somehow. Looks crooked. I think I hooked it by the gills. Wow. It might snap off. If it pulls hard, it'll break free. Look, look. Got it by the gills. Or the hook slipped out sideways when it was fighting. Good hook though. Second one today. First was smaller. Natural snag. Beavers around here? Been busy. Oh man. Let's try. Dad's got an axe. Try this edge here. Think we can squeeze through. Rod's still getting bites over there. Can't climb out. Don't drag your gear through. Crap. Both rods. Not a male, but decent size. Tee's already clear. Is that herring? You little herring. So feisty. Small but quick. Little speedsters. Thought it was biting weakly, tugging lightly. But no. It's a small perch. Tisha. Haven't grown much. Even nibbling on scraps. Tiny ones like this. Almost like fish. Beaver. Swam along the shore and dove near the birches. Now it'll pop up here. I'll hit it with the paddle. Yeah. Could have been free. What's 15 meters? Guess it went back to its lodge behind the trees. Lodge. Can't figure out what's moving along the bank. Beaver. Big one. Strong, powerful beaver. Finally warmed up a bit. Sun's out. Things will dry off. Oh. Got lost in thought. See it right away. Oh, of course it'll go. Zhenya's going. Splashed sideways immediately after casting. See it right away. Just cast, splash, and it's on. The ones that want to bite don't splash. Big one. Something big. Where's the big one? No bigger ones. But often decent. Not bad. Got one. Caught it. Let's cast a couple more times. Check it out. Oh. Oh, this one's small. Not what we're looking for. You rascal. The big Harius disappeared somewhere. Still something's biting. Probably small fry now. Already smaller ones. It's splashing. Not bad, Harius. Dang, I threw it. It splashed again. I'll try catching another one now. Well, we've made it to the high bank with cell service. Mobile signal here. We can call and chat properly now. Just cast on the riffle. Small Harius fish were swimming around. Weak bites overall. Generally slow. Biting poorly. Let's eat here. We've been floating for about 4 hours. Time for some dry snacks. Some sausage or something. Then keep floating. Probably home tomorrow. Let's call now and arrange a pickup. Fish aren't biting well. Why stay here? The water level isn't too high. It's just yellowish, dark. Looks like tea. Maybe that's affecting things. Not sure. Dangerous riffle ahead. Very shallow. And the current here is fast. Hee hee hee. Yeah, he's rowing with his oars. Hee hee. I'll go quietly. Quietly. He even waved his tail at me. Yeah, we usually pass through here. Don't think we've fished here yet. Water's low here. Who knows? It's unclear. Maybe it's the dark color. Crap. Where is it? The big one? There it is. Yes, good guys, good. Wow, holy moly. That's where it was standing. Now it's pulling my boat. Oh man, this is wild. Not bad. Now we'll get him. With some air. That was a good one. Come on, get up. He's about to take off. Both of them are caught right here on this kind of roll. Wow, that was a lucky cast. Ho ho ho. Check out this beauty, guys. I just squeezed him. He's strong and can break free anytime, escape at any moment. Not bad at all. Told you, it's the rolls where they bite. Sometimes no, sometimes yes. Some big ones show up. Great catches. Whoa, look at the monster you're pulling, wow. Now that's a crocodile. Snap a pic before it's gone. Ha ha. A kilo fish, ha ha. Oh crap. The rod snapped. Yeah, I saw. Kilo fish. Yeah, I saw a log. Look, he's starting to take it, dang. Too bad it's getting late. Man, we need a landing net. Dang, missed it. If anything, check behind us here. There was a nibble. I missed it slightly. Lost focus, rolled up. He's about to take it. He bit the worm. Dang, what's going on now? He's biting, but what is he after? Maybe the bead. Impossible. Seems like a good Harius. Come on, come on, come on. Small one, oh. Just barely got it in summer. Again, something's biting already. Dang, what's biting? Where? Ha ha. Bubbling. It just ruined my worm. Dace. Looks like dace to me. Yeah. No, yeah, it's a dace or sub-dace. Yeah. Should we keep it? Probably. We'll cull it so it doesn't breed here. Last time we let it go. What did you cast? Caught a hedgehog on Harius bait. Heh heh. Just remembered, we didn't catch any earlier, I think. This hole looks good. Depth here is about 3 meters. 233. And there's often big Harius here. Not sure if they're still around. Just saw one caught here. See how the whirlpool spins. But probably won't stay overnight. First time here, no worries. Very few. So we drift, stop where there's splashing, and try. Testing. Earlier, I saw lots of charisma in this hole, back when they used to bite. Why's it slowing down here? Must be Harius. Big ones, medium ones. Oh, Dad's pulling. No, it was splashing over there. To the right, it's another one. What? Medium-sized, yeah. Missed the bite. Wow, that's a big one. Wow. Wow, look at that dancing sturgeon. Yeah, probably over there. Look what the bastard's doing. Hell. Damn, you ran off. Screw this, man. Tore its lip, beast. Those candles were something else, right? Second big one today. What the hell is this? This tiny hook, damn it. If only I had a bigger hook like the one from Sokovskoy. Need to get polarized glasses. All those logs over there. Spots. Great bites. A hole's here. Our last camp tonight. Final stop. Tomorrow, we're home. Check it, stopped here. Time's up. Caught a bit today, at least. Something. Bites were better in spots. Some places. We'll clean the fish, probably cook some stew. No potatoes, though. Didn't think it'd turn out this good. On the roll, see how it goes. I'm amazed myself. That log's gone for sure. Bad luck. Main thing is we've got fish and onions. Soup's ready. Damn, cuckoo calls everywhere. Looks like. Fish soup's ready. Onion broth, fish. That's it. Damn mosquitoes. Too many bugs in the woods. Still managed to taste the soup. And pepper. Yuck. Mosquitoes have been brutal these 3 days. My ears are swollen like an elephant's. These mosquitoes are relentless. Good thing we can just chop up some fish. Not much of a bite, but still. That's how it's done, with little fish. Laid it out here, though why bother? Here's how to do it. Make a little bite. Pair it with broth, sip, and done. A little C7G. For sleep and soul, let's eat now. Dang. Time's up. 0:10. And rest. Nothing splashing in this hole. Seems like no one's here. Maybe it's over. By morning, then. What happened? Luxury suite. By the way, saw a hare today too. Beaver hare. Big hair, like a mermaid. Bobby, some huge one. Slowly, wow. Even let us get close while we were chatting. Like a moose, ha ha, moose. All the bushes were shaking there. He was running around, yeah, chewing on bushes. Forgot to wear my jacket yesterday, big mistake. Woke up freezing. That's it. All done. Good night. All. Woke up at 4 a.m. Such strong winds, wow. Almost blew us away. Rain started. Sky turned gray. Damn, thought it was over. But no, not all day. Blew hard for an hour or so. Then cleared up. Look, sun's out. Crazy weather. And it got really cold, really cold. They said it had dropped to 10 to 12 degrees. Cold wind. Got chilly. It's cool now. Let me try casting again. Maybe something will bite. Such fluctuations. Damn weather, nothing's biting. I don't know. Maybe it'll pick up. We camped here last night. Dad on the ground, me in the boat. I wanted the boat. Felt like it. On the boat. Look how dark the water is. Dark. Light-colored toad. Seems like these are holes. Empty this time. Turn on the camera, trying to catch a bite, damn. Such a rare thing. Got hooked. Still small ones. Sigh. Just tiny stuff. Man, should we move on? Yeah, just small stuff here. Small ones, or maybe there's bigger ones hiding. Oh! Look, he's biting the tip of the worm. He bit it. Probably pulled it in. Got hooked after all. Didn't want to bite, but hunger got him. Had to eat eventually. Need to stop here. I was up there earlier. Just caught one now. 3 over there, 1 here. Threw back the small one. Drowned. Big one. Quiet. Go on. Alright, moving, back to the hole. Back to the hole again. Almost there. Not far now. Let's check this next hole. I'm heading out, though. Nothing's biting at all. Tiny bites here and there, but very rare. And Harius? Maybe there's none? Some decent roots here. Caught in the morning. That's it. Fish aren't biting at all. They're around, occasionally nibbling, twitching, but after 150 casts, you might get lucky. Overall, not bad. In general, things are fine. We're still gathering here. Boats in. Heading out. Almost home. They'll meet us there. Overall, the fishing trip went well. Caught some resco, some big ones, even if just a few. Had some fish soup. Relaxed mentally, but physically tough. First 2 days, heavy rain. Day 1, thunderstorm with rain. Day 2, drizzle. Today, wind and rain in the morning. Fishing trips are never easy. Always something to do. Wood, setup. Constant tasks while floating. Gathering wood, setting up camp. But it's worth it. Last year was better, though. Sometimes you hit it right with the fish. Maybe they haven't arrived yet, or maybe they've already left. This year's spring is late, so who knows? Alright. What happens, happens. Now we're washing the boats, pulling them out. That's it, guys. Thanks to everyone who watched. By the way, I'm going on vacation, so probably see you in the next video after mid-July. We'd planned to come later, but had to go on vacation, so came now. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks to everyone. Alright, bye, everyone. Thanks to all. See you later.